Hi guys, it's Jeff at GasGas Racing. This video is about a new battery we just got in stock for the new style chassis bikes, the 23 KTM XC, XCF, SX, SXF, the similar models in Husqvarna, and then also all the new 24 KTMs, the EXCs, XCWs, XCs, XCF, SX, SXF, and then all the Husqvarnas as well. And I believe it's going to fit the new GasGas, although I've not seen one of those yet. And the battery fitment on these is extremely important. It's got to be the exact same size battery. I mean, it could be slightly smaller, but there's not much out there in the smaller ones. Because there's a tray on the new style chassis to where the battery sits, and it's got to fit in that tray correctly. All right, so why would you want to change to a battery? I mean, a brand new bike, new battery. Well, you probably don't need to, but some guys want more cranking amps, cold cranking amps. The stock battery is 120. This one's 165. So it's going to spin the motor a little quicker. It's going to make it start a little easier. And for guys that are like racing where there's a dead engine start, that's very important. Or some guys are buying them now just because they're hanging more electrical goodies on their bikes. They want a little more battery in there. So there's the part number for this one right there. Let's see right here, 490-2428 with a WP prefix. So if you want one of these, you can just go to the search bar on a website, type in that number and it'll pull right up, or you can go into electrical and the batteries. They're in there. This battery's got one cool little function here I like, and that is you can push here to see the state of charge. You can see this one's fully charged. It comes with some cushions here to size it, although that's not those are not necessary for these new bikes. And it comes with the mounting bolts, the square nut and screw. And I'll show you what I'm talking about on the fitment part of it. So this is my 23 XC300. This is the new style chassis. And so I'm doing this one-handed, guys. If you look under there, you can see that's the tray where the battery has to fit, and it's got a ridge all the way around it. Yeah, you might be able to fit a bigger battery in there, but it's going to take some work. And this one just fits right in there, no problem. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Yep. Okay, so there it's in the tray, and this piece goes down. All right, now you might be able to change the battery without moving the tank. I think it's a lot easier to do with the tank off. You know, you can move this bolt right here, then it allows this whole tray to come up if you want, but the wiring harness kind of still restricts it. I think it's easier just to pull the tank, because the issue is this is the starter solenoid, and it slides over these tabs right here and fits really close to the battery. And so you need to push it forward to get it off these tabs so that you can lift this up. Well, if you try to push it forward, the gas tank's sitting right there, so it won't go forward. Now that's with my oversized tank, and I didn't try it with the stock tank, so it might come off easier with the stock tank. I really don't know. All right, guys, hopefully this helps you make an informed decision on what you want. Like I said, this new battery is 165 cold cranking amps. The stock one is 120. That's quite the difference. It definitely will spin the motor quicker. And if you would, please give us a shout out once in a while on our social media pages. Please subscribe to us on Instagram and please like us on Instagram and Facebook. Subscribe to us on YouTube. And throw us a bone once in a while. We'd love to have your business. And please get out for some throttle therapy. Hope to see you on the trail. Ciao.